Excavator. I'm an excavator. Hey dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. Cut this thing, go to neutral. Emergency brake on. Ugh. And put some air in the tire. Alright guys, we're gonna clean up the backyard a bit at the shop. This is gonna be a quick, short, longish video. But everyone, please like and subscribe. This is the excavator. Welcome to my channel, Mechanics. Anyways, I'm gonna end up digging some frames out of the field. Want to clean up this mess a bit. Never knew how to drive one of these. Honestly, it's not that hard. Well, this is an old Babco. The new ones is like joysticks and all this extra stupid shit. This is just one knob. You do a whole bunch of stuff with the one knob. Up, down, left, right, forward. And let's go. The backyard's a little messy. I want to take these trucks out of here, move them down a bit, so we could have better rooms to turn the trucks around. But what I want to do is that mess right there. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we're gonna take all this stuff out of here. Gotta clean this mess up. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, look at these. Even look at the big one.
Oh, that's freaking cool. It's like braided itself.
Yeah. Isn't that fucking neat?
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
I can feel like cutting it off and doing something with it, you know?
Yeah, look how it just winded up like a snake.
Yeah. That'd be neat to this would dry out and get real hard.
That's what Tarzan swings on. Yeah. Oh, a walking stick, a cane or something. Thank you, girl. Wonder where all these frames come from. We're gonna do one frame at a time. That way we don't get a whole bunch of bundled up. And then we do that one, and then we do... These angles are still good to do stuff. So we could cut them in long pieces, whatever is good. Alright, let's get to it. Move some vehicles around. I get a little clumsy driving that thing. Not really, but it's an old backhoe. Sometimes it gets stuck. We did fix it up a bit. It's a lot better than what it was. It was a lot worse. So we're just moving vehicles around, opening up the window. It's hot. Alright, let's get back to the excavator. It's an excavator. And then we still gotta get all that Alright. Everything is all tangled up. We're just trying to take it out of the way and putting it over there. There you go, finally hooked it up. Now let's set her back to her final resting spot, and we pick at it little by little. We gotta start cutting it in pieces. Slowly but surely. I'm an excavator. I'm an excavator. Hey frame, see you later. Damn it, Bleepy. Alright guys, we're back home. It's time for quitting time. Let's park this beast back in place. And there she is. Because it's an excavator. A lot cleaner than what it was. I just gotta get the skid steer to level everything out, because that backhoe is a little cuckoo. And like I said, it got stuck here and there. There's the frames. Damaged the property a bit, but I will fix that with the skid steer. I was trying to flip that over. It smells like paint. Didn't work out too well. There's a chain in here. Hopefully there's nothing toxic in here. This stinks. Alright. Guys, it is time to go home. Thank you for watching this random video here on my channel, Mechanics. Peace.